ECI na MLA taraga nithoi disqualify tauba maram chade haina lowre. Election Commission na Office of Profit ki case mayok nariba BJP gi MLA taraga nithoi disqualify tauba maram chade haina lowri haiba wafam ama Manipur gi mapanda phongba digital media di print gi report amana phongdok le. Office of Profit ka mari leinaba law matungin na MP amade MLA sing lainga ki pham amata paiba yade adubu Manipur gi wainade sahi taragi mamangda pass tawkhiba law ani gi matung inna Parliamentary Secretary gi pham paibada thoidongna akaiba leite haire. The Manipur Parliamentary Secretary Appointment Salary and Allowance and Miscellaneous Provision Act 2012 amasung The Manipur Parliamentary Appointment Salary and Allowance and Miscellaneous Provision Repealing Act 2018 gi makada MLA taraga nithoina Parliamentary Secretary gi pham paikhibane. Mamang sahi gi September taraga tareta High Court of Manipur na hairiba ek animag Constitution gi mayokta leiba maramna chanadre haina laukthokraba matungda haujikte ek animag makata na chana khidre. High Court ki wayel matung tarakpada Congress Party na Parliamentary Secretary gi pham pairamba BJP gi MLA taraga nithoi disqualify taunaba Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah da taksin khe haukibo October thada Governor na hiram asiga mari leinana Election Commission gi mot laukibane. The print ki report na hai haukiba January thada Election Commission na Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah da ai bacherol ama thaduna akhanaba ek ani sanaringaida Parliamentary Secretary oikiba maramna MLA taraga nithoimag disqualify tawbagi maram sade haiba mot pirakhe. Governor na hiram asigi matangda aroiba wafam ama laukthorokpa yai haina thajanare. District Council singi election pangthoknaba matam sayol amagi manungda laukthoknaba High Court na khangankhre. Manipur Hill Areas District Council Act 1971 gi Section 3 na piba provision singi matung inna Manipur lengak na February taraga mari 1972 da lingkhatkiba Autonomous District Council singi loisilaklaba tambu anauba council sing ase mikhal gi thabak thoram sing mapung phana loisindriba phauba sangdok hanbinaba High Court of Manipur da tongan ba district council singi elected members sing na file tawrakiba civil writ petition ahumge YL Singh satharaba matungda pikiba common judgment amasung order amada lamphel pata leriba State Election Commission SEC na sayol amagi manungda district council sing asigi mikhal pangthoknaba numit laukthoknaba High Court na khangankhre. UN na Myanmar military da khongjangloy sing hat patoknaba khangankhre. Myanmar da haukiba February amadagi military coup tawkibadagi madugi mayokta miyoi lakaya na khongjang changsinbada yamdrabada miyoi yankhai mari sikre amade miyoi lising amaga chatret hena fazinkhre haina United Nation Rights Ship na ngarang sagolsel numita phongdokkhre.